Welcome to another Influencer Family Unboxing with Daddy and Colton. And we have two more Roblox Series 9 characters, right, Colty?
Yeah!
Every time he goes to the store, he picks these up and he refuses to open them unless we're on camera.
We got the princess!
That's right, you want a princess?
Yeah!
Oh, you think this one's a princess? What do you think is in this one?
It's her.
Her?
Yeah.
Oh, the graduate?
Yeah, the graduate. Her.
Okay, so you think you have a princess and a graduate. So far we have the witch, we have a pirate, and we have the ice cream guy. So, which one do you want to open first?
This one.
This one? Okay, who's in here?
It's like hers.
Oh, the graduate?
Yeah.
All right.
It's from Roblox when she escapes something.
Oh, she's from an escape obby?
Yeah. She escapes the school.
Look, this box has an R on it and an X on it. Can you open it? Oh, there you go.
It's a blind bag again.
It is a blind bag again. I see some green in there. I don't think it's a graduate.
I think it
Let's see who it is. You ready?
I think it's Morty Gager from Nightmare Free.
Here, open it up.
I think it's like a mohawk.
Who is it?
It's her.
They have 3 heads.
It's her from the Roblox.
Carter, who's the 3-headed person?
I don't know.
Here, let me put it together and we'll take a look at it. Oh, these things really snap together quite well.
Look at that. Look it.
What, baby?
Look at the half. Look.
Oh, wait, they have their
Yeah, they have leaves.
they're mohawks.
Yeah, look at the half though.
Oh, no, that's their hair.
Yeah, their hair.
See, that's a mohawk.
It's a banana.
Is it a banana?
Yeah,
It is a banana.
Yeah, when they eat it.
Yep. So, here's our character, our new one. He's got 3 heads, and they all have mohawks, and he's carrying a banana. How cool is that? Look.
Yeah.
Do you know what his name is?
I don't know.
It's Goat RBX.
Let me sign the.
See, right here. So, whoever Goat RBX is.
Now one more.
Yep, one more. You ready for the next one?
Yeah, the one more.
All right, let's take the
I
plastic
think
off.
I'm gonna get the princess.
The princess, you really want the princess, don't you?
Yeah.
Here you go. See if you can open it and do your magic.
Look at the half.
It does. It has an R on it, huh?
Can't I open it?
Oh, there you go. What's in there?
It's in there blind black.
Another blind bag. Can you see inside?
I see black and stuff.
All right, pull everything out.
I think
Oh, who is this?
I think it's her.
You think it's her? Oh, the schoolgirl.
Yeah, the schoolgirl.
Well, let's put it together and see.
Can you help me open this?
I don't know if it's a girl or a boy.
I think it's a girl.
You think it's a girl?
Yep, I think it's.
Okay, there's their briefcase. Here you go. Show the camera who it is. Math simulator, math student.
Yeah.
So let me show everyone real quick.
She has a book.
We got the math simulator, math student with the plaid and the white shoes. Whoops, hold on. I had their legs backwards. And they're carrying a briefcase. So how cool is that?
And then they have a book.
Yep. Is that a book?
Yes, a book.
Oh, okay. It's a book, not a briefcase. So sorry. Thank you, Colty.
Yeah, there's.
So here's our 2 new
Can
ones.
you help me open this?
Sure.
Thank you. Look it. He has a book.
Oops.
He has a book.
Yep. What kind of book? A math book, huh?
Yeah, math looking book.
Can you find it? I see it. Right in the middle.
Where's it?
Do, do, do.
Right here?
Nope, right here.
Right here? Right here?
There it is. So anyway, that's our new Roblox Series 9 characters. Do you love them, Colty?
Yeah.
Was it so much fun?
Yeah, and then one is holding the banana.
Holding the banana.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll tell everybody thank you and bye.
Thank you. Bye.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.